an eyebrow drawing machine, smart buttons to teach your dog how to talk, a color-changing fridge.
We are in Las Vegas for CES 2023 and we're scoping out the coolest tech.
Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to TCL Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. This is a video of the stuff I saw at the very first big tech event of the year. Now, FYI, CES is where the crazy and cool tech stuff gets shown off first, so we are in for a ride. Just a quick disclaimer though that CES is massive and I get lost a lot, and so this video features only the stuff I got to see in person. And if I missed the crazy cool tech, tough luck, my bad. I'm sorry, and let's just hope I get lost less at the next tech show. Now, let's start off with a tech that lets your dog communicate with you.
Tech that'll teach your dog how to talk. Wait for it, this is pretty cool, you're gonna see it in action. This is Fluent Pet, and how it works is that each button corresponds to a word your dog can learn. As you go, your dog can learn more words and you can talk. Here's that in action.
You settled? Are you focused? Focus. With this. Ball. Okay, with this.
People.
Tug. Yes, good girl.
It's also app connected, so you know when your dog presses what button, and you can also crowdsource what certain combinations of buttons mean. Like playing scratches could mean wrestle?
Let's backtrack a little bit. Now, if you're on TikTok, you'd probably know who Bunny is.
With 8 million followers, Bunny got famous because she was talking to her mom. From wanting to go outside.
No, we're all done walk. We did go big beach walk. All done walk. We settle now. Good girl. We're gonna go on a walk soon. We're gonna go on beach walk soon. First settle, then walk. Okay.
To finding her favorite toys, to her dad pooping, Bunny is pretty amusing proof of concept.
Enter Fluent Pet, who I actually decided to check out because I've seen Bunny videos. And as it turns out, Bunny's mom is Fluent Pet's co-founder. Got me even more excited.
But the best part of it here is I made friends with Ducky.
Oh, you're gonna get the belly. You have a new best friend? Talking dog.
Now, as cute as Ducky is, Ducky will not be the last dog I will meet on the show, but she will be the last non-robot dog.
I met Dog E, this really cute dog with all these lights that tell you different things. You can also mint different doggy personalities for each specific toy dog. And of course, Doggy has tricks. He can play, and he does have audio and body sensors so he can react to things around him. And then there's Pixel, who is another cute toy robot dog who this time around aims to teach your kids how to code. Both dogs are cute in their own way.
Razer, known for showing off their crazy concepts at CES. This year, they had awesome stuff that were not just concepts. And I got to try them out.
A webcam with DSLR-like quality? Yes! This is the Razer Kiyo Pro Ultra. It has the largest sensor on a webcam ever, and just look at it side by side with my actual camera. Crazy! All this means really good quality streams for you, better low light performance, there's even that great bokeh, and there's AI face tracking on this. It is quite literally the webcam to get. I also got to check out their newly announced Razer Leviathan V2 Pro beamforming soundbar, which sounds crazy because it is. It's pretty cool. It uses head tracking AI to beam the sounds to your ears, creating an immersive audio experience. And yes, those are infrared cameras up front, which help do that. I tried it and you really hear the difference. It's as if you're wearing headphones, except you're not, and it all sounds amazing. And finally, I got my hands on the Razer Edge, which is basically an Android device with an awesome 6.8-inch AMOLED display with 144Hz refresh rate and controls.
So another mind-blowing thing that I saw at this year's CES came from Asus, who last year showed off their ZenBook OLED Fold, which I just happened to shoot a TikTok of recently. If you think a screen folding laptop is amazing, this year at CES, Asus unveiled 3D screens. The Asus ProArt StudioBook 16 3D OLED is not only a very capable laptop. Using the 3D OLED tech and eye tracking, it can let you see stuff in 3D. Of course, you can't really capture it on video, but let me tell you, it was amazing. And when you're done, you can just switch back to 2D. This thing blew my mind. And not to be outdone, Lenovo does more. More screens to be precise. The Lenovo YogaBook 9i looks like your typical laptop with a hinge when folded, but when you unfold, they're both screens. And with those two screens, you can just think up different use case iterations. Like for example, you can use it this way, or you can even use that second screen as a keyboard, or you can use this Bluetooth keyboard that comes with it. It also comes with a pen and a folio for this whole setup. Never has a dual monitor setup been this compact. Now moving on to some stuff I live for, beauty tech. This next one, I'm actually not surprised that it's going viral on my TikTok when I posted about it. I mean, I saw it for the first time and I was just like, I need it.
This gadget will print your perfect eyebrows. This is the L'Oreal Magic Brow. It works with an app, and the first step is you scanning your face so that it can calculate for the perfect eyebrows for your face type. Then you pick out the eyebrow shape of choice, thickness, all those other things, and print. Sensors on the Brow Magic make sure that everything's printed perfectly on your face.
And yes, there are sensors on the device, so it will detect the movement, your face shape, or even hair on your face when you draw on your new brows. It can also remember the brow shape you like, so you can have consistent, great-looking brows all the time. And the ink lasts for 2 days, although it can be removed by normal makeup remover. So L'Oreal's printing tech is done with Prinker, who we've all heard from a previous CES where they debuted their tattoo printing tech. I finally got to try that out this year and it was pretty cool. It works via this machine. You pick a design and glide it on to skin. Voila! But this year, listen, Prinker decided that they're not just gonna be printing temporary tattoos, they're also gonna be printing hair color. So it's basically the same concept, but this time around, you connect to the app, you pick the length of the color you want on your hair, you pick the color, and voila! Of course, this will work on light-colored hair, but you get the idea. I love it! Last but not the least, Neutrogena has decided to take their skincare a step further. You can now get personalized 3D printed skincare gummies.
Trying out skincare vitamin gummies 3D printed specifically for my skin type. This is Neutrogena Skin Stacks, and this is next level skincare. All you need is a selfie, and their AI based on dermatologist's input will tell you what your skin needs. And then you enter other info, like for me, dark circles, because oh my god, CES kept me up. Your routine, how humid it is where you live, and then voila, it gives you a suggestion of what type of skin stack you should use. You can even choose a flavor. These personalized skincare vitamins are then 3D printed by Nourished and sent straight to your door.
TCL announced a couple of things at this year's CES, including some cool AR glasses. They also later on announced that they were NFL's partner, and we got a tour of the Allegiant Stadium while we were at Vegas. But the thing that excited me the most about TCL stuff is TCL NXTPaper.
Paper-like screen on your tech? I'm all for it. Look at how great this matte screen looks. This is TCL's NXTPaper display technology. It filters blue light, eye protection hardware, and is as bright as other tablets. But the best part, it feels so good to touch. TCL put this on a phone, on their new tablet, and their new 2-in-1 device.
I don't know, man. I'm just all for the idea of matte displays. I'm down for it. Moving on, E-Ink, who had that color-changing car with BMW last year, had, surprise, another color-changing car. But this time, it's better. There are more colors. Now, by the way, this is probably the only thing in this video that I'll talk about that was at CES that I didn't get to see personally because, surprise, I got lost trying to find it. But I had to talk about this because color-changing car. And as cool as this all looks, you'd be surprised to learn that this car is covered by e-ink panels. Yes, the same e-ink that you find in rekindles. This clip is from last year's color changing car, but this is how it works. These panels are wrapped around the car. This time around though, the panels can do 32 different colors versus last year's black and white. And finally, because you can't talk about CES without talking about LG's crazy booths, LG busted out the curved OLED displays again this year, and as usual, they looked amazing. They also brought over Jeff Staple. Hey Jeff.
What's up?
Yes, the same dude who made these shoes. And he was there to talk about the gadget that I am sure sneakerheads would love.
What's your favorite thing at CES?
Well, my favorite thing, because I'm a sneakerhead, it's got to be the LG Styler shoe case and shoe care. So this is my favorite piece of technology that's come out at CES this year. We have the shoe case from LG Styler. It is just amazing because it allows me to display my favorite shoes and my grails. But then sometimes you wear shoes a lot, they're gonna get a little bit stinky, and you gotta take care of them and refresh them. So this is the LG Styler Shoe Care, which is essentially the perfect cleaning device to help clean and refresh all my shoes. You know, sometimes I'm in New York and you get like a snowstorm or a rainstorm and you need to dry out and clean your shoes. So this is the perfect device. Just clean your kicks like that. Just put a fresh pair in. And then you're good to go.
Perfect. And it looks so good.
Yeah.
How about that one? What's that one?
This is the display case that you can stack up on top of each other. And what's great is that this protective glass here actually protects the sun from affecting your shoes and turning them yellow. So this one, you know, protects the shoes from UV rays, also displays them in a really cool way, and you could actually change the lights on the inside to change your mood and, you know, match the style of your home. So again, it's really great that you can incorporate the technology with the lifestyle.
What's your favorite pair in that case right now?
I mean, my favorite pair is this one. That's why I've got them in the special case. These are the Panda Pigeon Dunks that I designed, actually. Very, very rare. So, you know, I try to put these in here, and I'll show you how it comes out. So you just pull it out like that. And then when you're ready to wear them, just take them out, put them right back on display for all your friends to see, and they can't touch them, so that's really great.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you too.
High five.
Other notable finds at the LG booth was this wireless OLED TV that they just announced. I love the idea because cable management is the bane of my existence. And then there's their color changing fridge, which they debuted at IFA, but I just saw this for the first time in person. It features their InstaView technology where you just knock to see what's inside. You can use an app to change the fridge colors. There's a Bluetooth speaker, and it's smart. It connects to Google Home and Alexa. And that's it for today's roundup. Let me know what you think. Let me know what tech you'd want to see for yourself. Let me know what tech you just weren't convinced about. I also have TikToks coming out still on the CES Tech Finds. You can find me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. That's at @isadoes_. All the info and the stuff I can link about what I just talked about will be down in the description box. That's it for today. See you next time.